Hello everyone, this is Enia here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this pulled letter logo in Affinity Designer. This logo looks like a sticker which has been pulled on one of its corners. Alright, so to get started we go to File New and we create a new composition. We give it 1000 by 1000 pixels in dimensions. We go to the Margin tab and we uncheck Include Margin and we click on Create. And then we make sure that Snapping, Snap to Spread, and Snap to Object Bounding Boxes are enabled. And then we're going to start drawing the logo. So we take the Artistic Text tool. As a font, I'm going to use Railway Black. This logo can work with any font, but it is better to choose a font that is a bit thick. And we set the font size to 200 points. And then we write a capital D. We center it in the middle of the composition. And then we set its color to dark green. And then we're going to clip one of its corners. In order to do that, we go to Layer, Convert to Curves. So we need first to convert the letter into curves in order to do operation to it with the pen tool. So we press on Escape to unselect. We take the pen tool. We set the fill and the stroke to none. And then we draw a line like this from one extremity of the letter to the other. And we press on Escape to unselect. We take the Move tool. And we select both the letter and the line. And then we go here to the divide operator to divide the letter along the line. And then we select the corner here. And we are going to flip it both horizontally and vertically. So now this corner of the letter is in the direction that we wanted. The next step is going to be to set the color to it. So we take the gradient tool. We leave the context as fill and we set the type to linear. And we draw a gradient like this from one extremity to the other. And we are going to set one color to dark gray and the other to a lighter shade of gray. And we are going to bring the midpoint towards the top left. This gradient makes it look as if it is the backside of a sticker paper and as if it is slightly curved in the area here where the darker color is. And then we can add a drop shadow to it. So we go here to FX. We select outer shadow. And we increase the values. So this gives it a drop shadow. And we leave the angle as it is. So this makes it look like as if the part here is slightly above the other part of the letter. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create a pulled letter logo in Affinity Designer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Affinity Designer tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time. Bye!